Hello everybody, we are here with a new video related to sales. In the last video, we have discussed about LOA, how law of average works for the people who work in sales. Today we will discuss about the key factors related to sales. But you all know that sales has been considered as a low rated job. But do you know that sales is the only profile which teach you good communication skills, negotiable skills, build your relation with the customers and build your network. These sub points we will discuss today in this video. Let's move. So let's discuss the first key factor. The first key factor is communication. Communication plays a bigger role when you communicate on a bigger picture. And sales plays an important role in that. When you go on field and meet number of different people, different thinking of people, you object their mindset, your communication increase. And do you know communication is not a language, it's a way how you process your thought to a different person. When you meet different type of people, you handle different type of objections, you build rapport with different type of people, your communication increases, your communication becomes better. And that's why sales plays a better role in your building your own skills. Communication involves an ability to share your ideas to different people. With that, we come to a second key skill, which is empathy. Empathy is the process where you understand somebody else's problem as your own problem. You understand how the person is feeling. As we know, when we go on sales, different people have applied for different services and they hesitate to apply for a new service. And where your roles come, where you explain the customer that how our service is better and how we promise to give good services. Empathy is where you understand that yes, money involved of the customer should be equivalent to the money returned, the service returned. With this, we come to the third skill. The third skill is relationship building. Relationship building helps is also called rapport building, which helps you to connect with different people on the field. You may get Gujarati people, you may get Punjabi people, you may get Marwadi, you may get Sindhi. You understand the different culture and you understand the different needs, different mindset, and where you also build contacts for your future service. With this, we move forward to the fourth skill. The fourth skill is negotiable skills or problem solving skills. Negotiable skills is like, as we know, we as a girl, we like discount. Even everybody like discount. Discounts is also called negotiable skills, where you negotiate customer to bring to your price, where you may pitch a higher price and then come to the original price. These are some of the tricks which you can use to negotiate customer to your own price. And with that, you also solve the problem of the customer because you are delivering the service which is needed to that customer. And the fifth and the last key point is time management. Time management plays an important role in every aspect of life. You are a super skilled person, but you are lacking behind with the time management, you will not considered as a skill. Sales is the profile which teaches you how you can meet 50 people, 100 people, 20 people or 15 people in a day by managing your time. You are giving how much time to the potential customer and you are leaving the negative customer. There where you manage the time. And these key factors, negotiable skills, time management, communication, rapport building and empathy all together makes internally a good human, and you also become good with all type of skills which is necessary in the corporate world. Thank you so much.